Level your Ram from front to rear while giving your truck a more aggressive look with Rough Country's 2-inch leveling kit for Ram 1500 trucks. Ram trucks come with a factory rake, leaving the rear much higher than the front. This simple solution raises the front only, providing additional ride height while leveling the front with the rear for a more striking visual appeal and the ability to run larger tires and wheels. This easy-to-install solution maintains the factory ride quality and reuses your factory coil spring. Rough Country's 2-inch leveling kit uses a durable steel spacer that's prepared to withstand the elements with a corrosion-resistant protective black powder coat. This spacer kit allows enough ride height to run up to a 295 60R20 tire and is the easiest way to level and transform the look of your truck. Give your Ram 1500 the aggressive look it deserves with a Rough Country leveling kit. Includes a lifetime replacement guarantee. Visit roughcountry.com or an authorized Rough Country dealer to learn more.